Miss Lisa. I'm Miss Vicky, and today we're going to read Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Miss Lisa, do I get to push the button? You get to push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Oh, seriously, don't even think about pushing the button. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if she pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Let's shake it, Miss Vicky. Shake, 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 shake. All right, let's see what happens. Almost. We need to shake it some more, Miss Vicky. Okay, there we go. It says to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch, 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 scratch. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe a couple more pushes. The end.